Shit, guys. Something happened. Somebody said they heard somebody screaming. And now there's a shit ton of cops down there. And a fire engine's coming in. Here. You can see them coming in the other side here. There they go. I don't know. That was... Yeah, now there's a ton... Hang on a second. There is a fucking ton of people down there. Maybe somebody got hurt around their car or something. I don't know. Shit. Hang on. Damn. This ain't great. I wonder... I hope somebody's not dead. I did hear something about 20 minutes ago. It did sound like a woman yelling. They said screaming, but here comes the ambo now. See them? There they are. Ah, Jesus Christ. Ugh. All right, well, let me, I'm gonna wheel the bike out so you guys can see that. I've been working on it. Hang on. All right, guys, so I don't really know what's going on down there. I just did help a lady here with this where was my finger? That trailer. Her ground broke off, so I drilled a new hole and hooked her ground back up, but still ain't working. Don't really know. Anyways, let's look at the bike. All right, so I took the spacers out, and now I have plenty of space in between my, where is it, the chain and that bracket. That's the brake, it's the brake pedal bracket that comes through the middle, and we got that back on. I'm gonna have to redo the chain tension or whatever. We can obviously see the 800-pound gorilla in the room is the gas tank. Got that on there. I'm probably gonna have to take it off again. And then I plumbed in my fuel. I'm hoping this is gonna be good enough. Just kind of, it's working. Awesome. Okay, well, she figured it out. There you go. I just told her, hey, is there a key? Is there a button? So now she got her trailer to work. Awesome. Help somebody else. So, and then I put on these P-clamps just to hold the hoses up out of the way, right? So they're not all out in the way, obviously. What else? Oh, I Loctited all these acorn nuts. What else did I do? We readjusted like I said, the brake rod. I kind of positioned it a little bit better. I'd like it to go a little further. Like, I'd like it to be a little further to start, but this thing's pretty close to over centering, and if it does, it'll just go woof. But the brakes work pretty good. It'll be all right. There might be a little tweaking I can do, but not much. What else? What else did I do? You know, just tidying up some of the wiring. I'm gonna have to, there's a bunch more to do, but tomorrow we're getting a new coil, new wires, because I made these, and I don't know, we're sort of questioning why we're getting a weak spark on the back cylinder here. So, and I got some plugs, some generic auto lights or whatever, but but that's it. So this is Labor Day weekend. I'm gonna grind the next 3 days and try to get as much of it done as I can, and yeah, I can't wait to ride this thing. Hang on, guys. All right, so let's see, there's old Frank looking pretty good. We helped out a lady. Something happened to those people down there. I don't know. I'm hoping nobody's dead. Cops bum rushed me. That was weird. Anyways, we will see you on the next video. All right, guys? Easy. All right, guys, I just got the scoop from the property manager. They're, you know, remember they were down there? I guess there was an old guy trying to move a trailer, and he got pinned. Now, I guess they let him go and he's fine, but I should have checked it out. I don't know. I heard something, but I was just like, no one yelled for help or anything. So, you know, what do? You could tell that, you know, you've seen me out here, there's lots of weird noises and people making noises, so I didn't really think of it. So thankfully he's all right. And yeah, so just want to give you an update. All right, guys, we'll see you. Easy.